Hey, it's Carly. If you know who that is, if you don't, I don't blame you. I'm making YouTube. That's cool, I guess. Everybody has a YouTube nowadays. Nowadays. Um, I'm making one not necessarily so that I can put videos on it, just so that I can comment on people's videos. But I didn't want to be one of those weird people that don't have like a single video on their YouTube. So I'm making a video. And this is it. If you haven't caught on. Pretty much it. I don't really expect anybody to subscribe or even be watching this video. If you are, you're pretty cool. Just kidding. I guess. Unless you're a pedophile. Unless you're a pedophile, then you're nasty. And I would very much appreciate it if you got off my page. Just asking. Alright. I'm going to stop talking now because I don't think I'm making any sense. So, yep. Bye. And stop.